Hi, are you looking for a skill that is creative, in demand, and future ready? If yes, then Figma is the perfect tool to start your UI UX design career. In this video, we'll walk you through our Figma course, its career scope, and how it can help you grow as a professional UI UX designer. This course is designed to build strong foundation in UI UX principles, wireframing, prototyping, and real-time collaboration, making you industry ready for modern design roles. Figma allows designer to design, prototype, and collaborate on a single platform, helping team create user-focused product faster and more efficiently. That's why Figma is widely used by startups, design agencies, and global enterprises for modern digital product design. As companies focus more on user experience, digital transformation, and design systems, the demand for skilled Figma and UI UX designers continues to rise. Fresher can begin with attractive entry-level opportunities, while experienced designers earn significantly higher packages based on skills, portfolio quality, and project experience. If you are ready to start your career in UI UX design and want to master Figma from scratch, this course is the right choice for you. Enroll now, sharpen your creative skills, and step confidently into the world of UI UX design with Figma.